Picture this, a clean, clutter-free home, sparkling with simple elegance. That's the beauty of minimalist cleaning. Simplify your routine, use fewer products, and embrace eco-friendly practices. More free time, a healthier home, and a lighter footprint on our planet. Minimalism is about prioritizing what truly matters. Focus on effective, eco-friendly methods. Embrace a simpler, more sustainable approach, just a handful of multi-purpose products, no more cluttered shelves or overwhelming choices. Simple, effective cleaning solutions save space, reduce waste and exposure to harsh chemicals. Minimalist cleaning is a breath of fresh air. Create calm and order, freeing our minds and time. Embrace a mindful approach for well-being and the planet. Every cleaning product we use washes down our drains and eventually ends up in our environment. Conventional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that can pollute our waterways, harm wildlife, and even impact our health. That's where eco-friendly cleaning comes in. Choosing eco-friendly cleaning products means opting for biodegradable, non-toxic formulas that are gentle on our planet. These products are made with plant-based ingredients and natural cleaning agents, reducing our exposure to harmful chemicals and minimizing our environmental impact. Think of it as a ripple effect. Every small change we make in our cleaning routines can have a positive impact on the environment. By choosing eco-friendly products, we're voting for a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. It's a simple yet powerful way to make a difference. Remember, our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we feel safe and healthy. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning methods, we're not only protecting the environment, but we're also creating a healthier living space for ourselves and our loved ones. It's a win-win situation for both our well-being and the planet. The beauty of minimalist cleaning lies in its simplicity. You don't need a plethora of specialized products to achieve a sparkling, clean home. In fact, you can achieve amazing results with just a few key ingredients. White vinegar, baking soda, and Castile soap are the holy trinity of minimalist cleaning. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, effectively cutting through grease and grime. Baking soda is a gentle, abrasive and odor absorber, perfect for scrubbing sinks and deodorizing refrigerators. Castile soap, made from plant oils, is a versatile cleaner for dishes, floors and even laundry. With these three ingredients, you can create a multitude of cleaning solutions. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle for an all-purpose clean. Sprinkle baking soda on surfaces before wiping them clean with a damp cloth. Dilute Castile soap with water for a gentle yet effective cleaning solution. Remember, less is more. By focusing on multi-purpose cleaners and natural ingredients, you can simplify your cleaning routine and reduce your environmental impact. It's about working smarter, not harder, and embracing the power of simplicity. Section 4. Mastering the minimalist cleaning routine. Creating a minimalist cleaning routine is about establishing simple, sustainable habits. Start by decluttering your cleaning supplies, discarding expired products and those you no longer use. Then, invest in high-quality, reusable cleaning cloths and sponges to reduce waste. Set aside a specific time each week for cleaning, breaking down tasks into manageable chunks. For instance, dedicate one day to cleaning bathrooms, another day for floors, and so on. This approach makes cleaning feel less overwhelming and more like a regular part of your routine. Focus on high-traffic areas that tend to accumulate dirt and grime quickly, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Wipe down surfaces daily to prevent dirt buildup, making your weekly cleaning sessions much easier. Don't forget to declutter regularly, as a clutter-free home feels cleaner and more inviting. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating minimalist cleaning practices into your weekly routine, you'll not only maintain a sparkling clean home, but also reduce your environmental impact without adding extra stress to your life. It's about making small changes that yield big rewards. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, a cleaner home, a greener planet. Embracing a minimalist cleaning routine extends far beyond a tidy home. Simplify your cleaning products and routines to save money and reduce exposure to harsh chemicals. Imagine more free time to pursue your passions. Minimalist cleaning frees up your schedule. Reclaim your time and live intentionally. Minimalist cleaning impacts the environment positively. Choose eco-friendly products and reduce waste. Your actions contribute to a greater good. Minimalist cleaning is about mindful consumption and sustainable living. Find joy in simplicity and make choices that benefit our planet. Section 6. A final thought. So, there you have it. Minimalist cleaning isn't about deprivation, it's about embracing a simpler, more intentional approach to keeping our homes clean and green. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can enjoy a sparkling clean home, reduce your environmental impact, and free up your time and mind for the things that truly matter. Remember, every small change counts, and together we can make a big difference.